Hello guys, today we are doing Scratch and welcome. You're free to do Scratch, watch this YouTube channel, but please tell you to hit the like and subscribe button right now. Okay, so so I was saying that let's make something that goes like the sprite goes like this, and we have to click it while doing that, and there's a timer, so you have to stop it. So let's go. When green flag clicked, let's go to 0 0. So only put the code, but if you want to see how to do the code, then just let's start from the beginning. So events green flag forever. Now you have to go to XY, put the XY as 0 0. Now go right to a random position, but when I say that, yes. So now what our sprite should be doing, let's see. Our sprite is moving in a random position every time. Look at it. Oh, so cute. Well, now we have to actually make click timer. So let's go to variables. Okay, what is this? Now we have to go and make timer and another one which is clicked. Now let's go here in the backdrops, and green flag clicked. Set there should be timer. Now let's go to forever block. If then let's go to operator, let's take this block, and then let's go to variables again, take the timer block, now put it here. Free to customize any number here, but I'm going to do 4 as I want to stop at 5. Every time the time you want to stop it, put it -1. So if I want to stop it on 120 seconds, put it as 119. So it will exactly stop at 120. So we are going to do 4 again because I wanted to stop at 5. And then we have to make another forever block here, which is not that necessary because you're going to make another block which is going to help us for this. As you all know, this will just keep moving, but our clicks don't do anything. And also I forgot to add this thingy where go to variables, change clicked. Actually you have to put this on another area, kinda, because it's a wait 1 second, so we have to do that. Put that there, wait 1 second. Now let's just change this by timer. Now let's do not this. And also we forgot one more thing to add forever block. That's why it only worked in 1. Now let's see. Now it's making it, and now it stopped our game. But we didn't do connect yet, so make sure to watch. Now you have to go back to sprite 1. Let's go to events. This time when the sprite is clicked, let's do change clicked sprite by 1. You guys may think, okay, that's it. Look, I can click this and it can go up. But the problem now, we have to, I will explain at the end also, okay guys? So stay tuned. And now look, It is going till 5, right? Look, I click 2 times, it's gonna go to 5. You think it stopped, right? No way. It's still going. So how can we remove this? Now it comes the part. So go to control and get a if then else block. Then let's get this block. And then let's go to timer. Let's put it back as 4. Now when you see that as 4, you have to go back to this, change click by -1. Trust me guys, just I will show you at the end everything, okay? Now let's do change clicked by 1 there. So now we see that if this moves, why is it going down now? That's a thing, right? You all may think. Let's see. Ooh. But now we have to also make a thingy so they understand what they are actually doing wrong. So let's go to this area. Actually, no need to go here. Just go here. Get the square. Feel free to customize your outline, which I'm going to do black, and feel free to change the box color. I'm going to do red as that's my favorite color. And now let's go and put 10 as we want to be seeing the outline. Okay, done. Now put that in the middle. Now let's just erase that thingy what I did. Nice. You can free to customize like this, but it will ruin your art. So let's just not do that. Now go to black as we want it to be out. Like we can't use outline here. We have to do film. Now you can write something like get punished or another term for that. But I'm going to write this get punished. And now you may think it's too small. No worries. After you write it, you can see that it wants to you can customize it. So I'm doing that right now. And it's kind of fun to do though. It's perfect. Now just copy this. Yeah. Okay, so here you can write anything. Like anything. But to be honest, if you want to relate it, I'm going to just write stop cheating. Now let's go back. When I see stop cheating, let's go to show and then wait 1 second and then hide. And as you now look at this, we have made a fully functioning moving game. And if you press it one more time, that's going to be get punished. So never do that. So that's it for today. Wait, you guys thought. Now let me tell you all the code meanings, as I have not told you that yet. So let's start. go to sprite 1 and let's zoom in. When the green flag is clicked, you even go to 0, 0, which is in the middle, x 0 and y 0. Forever, glide 1 second to random position as, look at this. This is what it does. Now, we have to, now when the sprite is clicked, if timer 4, change clicked by 1, because when this is clicking, so it does not remove it, okay? Now broadcast stop cheating, which we are going to go there next, so let's just wait. And then clicked, change clicked by 1. And what do you think, like, if this is this, then what do you mean by ends? Ends is another part of if then. Like if then, we like if its timer is on 4, but if the timer is on not like after 4, you can change clicked by 1 if the sprite is clicking. Okay, and just to like make this TD, I have told in last class, in last video, that clean up blocks. Now look at this, beautiful. Let's go here. Now let's zoom in again. When green flag clicked, go to 0, 0, which is the middle again, hide. When I receive stop cheating, show. So you guys can understand you're actually cheating. Wait 1 second, hide. So after that, when it shows, okay, you got it, and then it hides itself. So now we have to go to the backdrops, as this is the main part, and I think I've taught you last video, but it's fine. Let's do it again. Just, who didn't watch the last video? Okay, when the sprite is clicked, when the green flag is clicked, set click to 0 and timer, as you can see, always it's at 0 forever. Okay, why do we need forever again? If you know the answer of why do we need forever, comment it below. Let's see who remembers from the last video. And then if then when the timer hits 4, then the timer hits 5, which is actually 4, free to feed customize it anytime. Forever stop on. To be honest, you can, it doesn't not really matter, but to be honest, to the looks of it, I like forever stop on. But if you want to do less coding, you can just do stop on. But I don't know, it just feels cool. Okay, next. This is the last coding of the day. When green flag clicked, forever, wait 1 second, change timer by 1. So it's actually when wait 1 second, so you can change the timer by 1 and it actually sees, okay? So yeah, that's it. But wait a minute. Now you can free to customize it. And how can you customize it? I will show you right now. You can go to backdrops, change anything into anything, but for now I'm just going to do blue sky. And then you can look here. Then you see this. Just go to like choose a sprite. You can choose any of these, okay? Even Abby, Amon, Andy, anyone. But to me, the coolest one, I think, is this. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. No way. And then we have D. What you can do with D is just put on of this like this. This is one part which I didn't teach you guys. If you put it like this, you instant have it, and at the same time D will have it. Now let's just delete this guy because you don't need him. Now look at this, boys. We have customized our game a little bit by changing the backdrop, and then get punished. This is the same. so yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. A moving scratch game. And always, please feel free to customize the time you want. I did in 5, but if you want in 129, just do this. No, if you want in 120, I meant, then do 119 here. And go to D and do the same thing. 119. And now look. You can play this game till 119. 2 minutes. So yeah, feel free to ask me any doubts on the studio app. I will share this game and you guys can remix it if you want. But please do not share the same game. You can remix it, okay? And thank you. And bye, guys. See ya. And before you go, one more reminder. Please don't do any remix and then share it, or this would be copyright. Okay? So yeah. And one more thing. Please like and subscribe because I will click this.
Stop!